In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop adding newly installed apps to home screen in Zapsel. To do this, simply long press on any empty area of the screen. By doing this, we're activating the home screen menu navigation located on the bottom part of the screen. Locate and navigate to Settings icon. This will direct us to home screen settings. In this section, you can adjust, modify, or edit the home screen settings based on your preference. To stop adding newly installed apps to home screen, simply locate the section Add New Apps to Home Screen. On the toggle button on the right side of this section, simply click that to turn it off. Now, we have deactivated adding newly installed apps to home screen on our phone. And that's about it. That's how to stop adding newly installed apps to home screen on Zapsel. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.